In this video, I'll show you the steps to invite your friends on the Revolut app. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. You can also use the affiliate link in the description to sign up for a free Revolut account. You can invite friends to Revolut to earn rewards and help them enjoy fee-free international payments, budgeting tools, and investment options. To start inviting friends using the Revolut app, begin by launching it on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in to access your account fully. Once you're on the main screen, look for the profile icon, usually located in the top left corner of your screen, and tap on it to enter your profile settings. From here, find and select the Invite Friends option, which will bring you to a dedicated page where you can start the invitation process. On the Invite Friends page, you'll see a prominent Invite Friends button. Tapping this button again will open up the sharing options you need. At this point, look for the Share Link option. When you select it, you'll be shown various social media and communication platforms where you can share your unique invitation link. Now, choose the platform that works best for you, whether it's a messaging app, email, or social media, and share the link with friends and family. They'll be able to join Revolut directly from your invitation. That's all it takes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tips. And remember, you can sign up for a free Revolut account through my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.